So, you're starting to learn anatomy. Well, anatomy is a broad and complex subject, so it's best to build a solid foundation first. That's why I started my studies by understanding proportions and breaking the body into basic forms. In this video, I'll show how I practice these anatomy foundations with pose exercises. Here we have a box mannequin. If you want to learn how to draw it, I have this video where I explain body proportions. Before practicing drawing poses, I'll transform the box mannequin into a more organic one. Let's start by drawing around the head, but still showing the side and front planes. Then for the torso and pelvis, I'll draw something like clothes. A shirt for the torso and underwear for the pelvis. For the limbs, I'll try to end the cylinders in a box to give it a more organic feeling. After connecting the thighs and lower leg, I'll draw a triangle to represent the orientation of the knees. You can also use a cube to get a clear orientation of the joints. Then it's easy enough to connect the shoulders, waist and hips. Lastly, we draw hands and feet with wedge shapes. To practice what I learned, I'll draw poses using reference photos. I strongly recommend studying poses you find interesting instead of wasting time with poses you will never use in the future. I started by drawing the box mannequin on top of my reference. It's not that easy at first, really. The hardest part for me was figuring out the angle of the torso and pelvis. That's where I spent most of my time. And sometimes I wasn't sure I got it correct. But as I kept practicing, I had less trouble drawing the upper body and spent less time in each pose. After drawing the box mannequin, I drew the organic mannequin on top of it. This is way easier. You have already done the hard part of figuring out the forms. So now you just make it into a more organic shape. That's the pose studies I did. After mastering this exercise, you can skip the box mannequin step and try to draw the organic mannequin without its help. If you want to learn more about body proportions, I made a video about it. But if you're interested in how to draw boxes, cylinders, and other forms, I have this video where I show how I practice forms in perspective. Check it out! Please like and consider subscribing. See you next time!